I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Canva student access. First, understand that Canva for Education is primarily for K-12 teachers and their students, offering premium features at no cost. If you are a college or university student, this specific program usually does not apply to you. Your eligibility depends on your teacher being certified and actively employed at an accredited K-12 school. Students receive access through a direct invitation from their teacher, not by applying independently. For K-12 students, the path to Canva for Education is straightforward. Your teacher needs to apply and get verified for their own free account first. Once approved, they can easily invite you to their virtual classroom directly within the Canva platform. After accepting this invitation, you will unlock all the premium features, including thousands of educational templates and advanced design tools. This method ensures a secure and appropriate learning environment for all students. If you are a higher education student, such as at a college or university, the free Canva for Education program is typically not available. However, some universities offer a special Canva for Campus plan, which might grant you access to pro features. It is best to check with your institution's IT department or student services for specific information. Otherwise, you can always utilize the robust free version of Canva or consider a paid Canva Pro subscription for advanced design capabilities. Canva for Education offers numerous benefits for students. You gain access to premium features, including an extensive library of images, fonts, and thousands of educational templates. This empowers you to create visually stunning presentations, posters, and videos for school projects. Real-time collaboration tools allow you to work effectively with classmates on group assignments. Plus, it integrates with many learning management systems, helping you develop essential design skills for both academic success and future careers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.